Wow. I'm just from a shoot. I've just finished my shoot. We are at Dunyu Jeru. Yeah, Dunyu Jeru, side ya Nyandarua, I think. Yeah, because I can see the hills there. Sijui inaitwa Nyandarua ama ni? Yeah, something like that. I'm at Nyandarua. I'm driving all the way back to Nairobi. So I'm gonna take you back to Nairobi now. Watch this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe. See you then. Let's pray God to guide us in our journey to Nairobi. Love. So guys, tumestop over, tuna fuel kiasi. We still have a 2-hour drive. Let's see kama tutamake Nairobi. I love driving barefoot sometimes. Sipendi viatu. I love sometimes driving barefoot. So we're driving all the way to Nairobi. Tumestop over kuweka mafuta kidogo now. Twende Nairobi sasa wasi. Hizi ni waru. Hii ndio miti ya huku. So tuko the land of waru. Waru kundo gold nation. They mine waru. Hii ni waru. They always think business na waru. Farming na waru. Cheers, see you Nairobi. Tulitoka hivi. Ukumbuke tulipiga turn pale nyuma. So me and my crew now, we are buying something for our families now. We are back to Nairobi now. These are the Abardare Regis. These are now the Abardares. Kama unaweza ziona huko from far. Those are now the Abardares. Tumetoka huko Nyahururu sasa. Ni those Abardares. Now we go to Nairobi. Hey, wamasai kwa hardship wewe. Ile. Ndio tunaingia. So guys, for viewpoint, it's so cold, man. The weather may change. It's almost rain, as you can see. Baridi imekuwa mob, so I have to change and stay warm. Anyway, tuko viewpoint, come and see. Wow. Guys, look at this amazing view. Wow, 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 wow. I love the landscape, man. What? I wish I can fly. Let me fly a bit. Lazima nipige shot. Lazima nipige shot na drone. Lazima nipige shot.
Bwana tuione.
Iko sawa? So guys, I want to fly now. I must capture that amazing escarpment there. I want to take some aerial shots of the area. Battery na moto, so we have to change it. So I was replacing the battery. So we're going to fly to make some nice aerial shots. Usishoot sahi. Guys, I'm filming the viewpoint now. Here in Rift Valley, that's the Rift Valley. Nimeshikisha.
Umeshikisha?
Eh. Wallahi haikuji.
Inabebwa na upepo.
Imeenda, my drone is gone. Low battery, my drone is gone as you can see. Sasa tuko viewpoint na imeenda kabisa. I have to forget about it. So jamii, sisi watu na msijui